Well, today we're going to look into our garden. I'm not sure how this is. It's pretty sunny out and hot. It's hot here in North Carolina right now. But our garden is doing amazingly well. My basil is going crazy. So, this is my basil. Basil is going crazy. I harvest just about every other day. And I have 10 containers in the freezer. We have a bunch every night for dinner. That's our basil. Here I have some of my peppers. These are my red cherry peppers. I don't know if you can see them because, let me see. That's my basil over there. It is huge and so good. I am having a hard time keeping up with harvesting it. Here are my cherry peppers. They're little red cherry peppers that I stuff with cheese and prosciutto. And here are my yellow and red peppers. There's a red pepper in there, a couple of yellow peppers there, all ready to be picked. Those are the ducks that Carl feeds. That is Stella and Epstein. Don't ask me why we call them Epstein. You can take a guess. This is our lemon balm. It is beautiful. I really don't know what I'm going to do with lemon balm. You could probably dry it and make it teas out of it, but today we're going to make lemon balm salt. These are our red bee balm. No, I can't do anything with those cooking wise, but we have wanted red bee balm since we got here, and we keep buying red bee balm seeds, and they always turned out purple, never red. So we finally got red bee balm. Here we have tarragon. Carl loves tarragon. This is pichu pichu. It's a Mexican herb. I really don't know what to do with it, but it tastes really good. It self-seeds every year. And I just pick a few every night while I'm cooking. This is parsley, Italian parsley, curly parsley. And here's our rosemary. And I do have some oregano. It's in a pot because it will go everywhere. And this is my first year growing oregano. So oregano doesn't taste good fresh, but it tastes great dried. And here's our elderberry forest. And that's Carl's baby. So we'll be doing things with the elderberries probably in the fall when the berries come out. That's my garden. I'm going to start picking some herbs and we'll make some herb salts. Here we are back in my kitchen. Actually this is lemon verbena, not lemon balm. So lemon verbena, basil, tarragon, and rosemary. Now, here they all are. Lemon verbena, basil, tarragon, rosemary. And now we're going to make herb salts. Let me go turn another light on so you can see better. We'll start with the basil. And several years ago, Carl got me this. There used to be a catalog called Cook's Catalog. And this is an herb chopper, and I love it. I don't know about exactly how much basil to use, but I'm going to use small jelly containers to put the salts in. I can always make more. This is my first time making herb salt, and I love this because you just go back and forth and chop it. Mason jar with my funnel top on it. I'm going to put salt in there. I'm using pink salt. You can use whatever salt you want. Put some salt, herbs. I'll put the top on it. I'm going to shake it all up. And these I'm gonna keep more whole because I just want the essential oils from it. I don't want the herb itself. Salt. I'm just gonna add, well, I'll add most of it. I'm gonna label these because I'm gonna forget what is what. But I'm just gonna wait till all the essential oils are out of the herb and into the salt, and shake it up every now and again. So again, this one was basil. So I put some masking tape on the top, and I'll usually write the date so that I know when I can start checking it to see if it's ready to use. Like to play with plants in the house. So these are all the herbs: rosemary, tarragon, lemon verbena, and basil. So we'll see how these come out. But oh, look at these nice salts all year long. Just wait till all the essential oils are all through the salt. So good. Enjoy.